tutorial video was created to help you understand how to merge together multiple PDF files into a single PDF form. You can also merge together image files or Word document files or any combination of these file types into a single PDF file. We will begin by taking a look at what you will need to merge documents together. Before you can merge any forms together into one PDF file, all of the form files need to be flattened, meaning that it is a version of the PDF form which cannot be edited. If you are still able to type into the PDF form fields, then this is considered to be a fillable PDF form and not a flattened version of the form. In this situation, you may need to first watch our tutorial on how to flatten a fillable PDF form before learning how to merge PDF files together. For this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to merge multiple PDF documents into one PDF form for PC computer users as well as Mac computer users. We will begin with how a PC computer user can merge multiple PDF files together using Adobe Acrobat Online, and then also Adobe Acrobat Pro for those who have it installed on their computer. To begin, open a web browser and type in this URL address. You will be prompted to open the files you want to merge together. To do so, click on Select Files. When the pop-up box appears, press the Control button on your keyboard and then click on each file you want to merge together. Be sure to select the flattened version of the forms and then click on the Open button. You should now see the files displayed here. You must click on the Select All checkbox here to include them, and then click on the Merge button here. And it may take a moment for it to combine the files together. Once it has completed the merge, you can select the Download button here. You will notice that the file name will include the word combined, so it will be easy to identify. You can then save the file to your computer. Now let's see how to merge PDF files using a program installed on a PC computer called Adobe Acrobat Pro. You'll first need to open Adobe Acrobat Pro and select the Combine Files button here, and then click on the Add Files button. When the dialog box opens, press the Control button on your keyboard and click on each file you want to merge together. Be sure to select the flattened version of the forms and then click on the Open button. You should now see the files displayed here. Now click on the Combine button to merge these files together. When the document is ready, it will open automatically. And you will notice that this combined file is called binder1.pdf. So be sure to save it using the correct file naming convention before uploading it to the Permanent Residence portal. Now let's take a look at how to merge PDF files on a Mac computer. When using a Mac computer, you can actually combine files together very easily. As you can see, I have 3 files I want to merge together here on the desktop. The first step is to click and drag your mouse over the 3 files to select them. Once they are selected, you will right-click on the selection and then choose Quick Actions from the menu that appears and select Create PDF. You should now see a new file appear on your desktop. As you can see, it contains all 3 PDF files in one now, and your original separated files are still intact. Be sure to save it using the correct file naming convention before uploading it to the Permanent Residence portal.